This is the ORAP. I am Vanessa James. Here are the stories making headlines today. Former Deputy Chairman of the Firearm Licensing Authority, Dennis Meadows, has apologized for a sexist remark made towards former People's National Party Youth Organization President, Tomlinson, on Friday. Meadows had made the disparaging remark in response to a tweet from Tomlinson, suggesting that he was struggling to sound honest during a radio interview surrounding questionable decisions he made in granting firearm permits while at the FLA. The remark prompted backlash across social media, and Meadows, who is also a former Jamaica Labour Party senator, later apologized for the comment, which he said was unbecoming of him. Police officers were on scene at the Mega Mart complex in Catherine Hall, St. James, where a man was shot and killed this morning. The man is yet to be identified, but was seen wearing a black t-shirt, blue jeans short pants, and a camouflage-colored Crocs. He is of light complexion and sporting a number of tattoos. Information reaching Observer Online is that the man was exiting one of the places of business on the plaza when he was pounced upon by unknown assailants. He was shot multiple times before the perpetrators of the crime fled the scene. 3 men were arrested as police seized approximately 250 pounds of ganja in Portland on Thursday. This is the second major ganja bust in the Eastern Parish this month. Police reported that lawmen, acting on intelligence, were conducting spot checks on the Mansion Hill Main Road when a Leland motor truck was stopped and searched. According to the police, the vehicle was found to contain 5 black boxes containing several parcels of ganja wrapped with brown masking tape. The confiscated ganja is reported to have a street value of about $1.75 million. In sports, India secured an 8-run series clinching victory over the West Indies in the second 2020 International in Kolkata on Friday. Chasing 187 for victory, the Windies finished on 178 for 3, despite a threatening century stand between Nicholas Puran, 62, and Rovman Powell, who was unbeaten at 68 of 36 balls. India, who whitewashed the West Indies 3-0 in the preceding one-day matches, took a 2-0 lead in the 3-match 2020 series. Nigerian sprinter Blessing Okagbare has been banned for 10 years for doping, the Athletics Integrity Unit announced on Friday. The 33-year-old was expelled from the Tokyo Olympics last year before the women's 100-meter semifinals after testing positive for human growth hormone at an out-of-competition test in Slovakia on July 19. And in international news, Kim Porter, the former Minneapolis police officer, who said she confused her handgun for her taser when she fatally shot black motorist Dante Wright, was sentenced on Friday to 2 years in prison, a penalty below state guidelines after the judge found mitigating factors warranted a lesser sentence. Potter was convicted in December of first and second-degree manslaughter in the April 11 killing of the 20-year-old Wright. She was sentenced only on the more serious charge in accordance with state law. This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Vanessa James.